Hello, my name is Dinda and I will explain about simple present and past perfect. Okay, we use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly or unceasingly, which is why it's sometimes called present indefinite. For the pattern, for the positive, subject plus verb 1 plus object plus adverb. For the example, they go to Jakarta every week. For negative, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus adverb. For the example, they do not go to Jakarta every week. For the interrogative, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus adverb. For the example, do they go to Jakarta every week? But with the third person singular, it means she, he, and it. We add an s. For the example, she drinks milk every week, but that's for the positive sentence. Okay, next for the past perfect tense is a verb tense used to talk about actions that were completed before some point in the past. The past perfect tense is for talking about something that happened before something else. The pattern is for positive, subject plus had plus verb 3. For the example, they had studied. For negative, subject plus had plus not plus verb 3. For the example, they had not studied. For interrogative, plus had plus subject plus verb 3. For the example, had they studied?
Okay, my name is Mariono, and I want to explain about present continuous and past perfect continuous. Okay, the present continuous is a verb tense which is used to show that an ongoing action is happening now, either at the moment of speech or now in a large sense. The present continuous can also be used to show that an action is going to take place in the near future. For definition, positive, subject plus is or am or are plus verb 1 plus ing plus object plus adverb. For negative, subject plus is or am plus or are plus not plus verb 1 plus ing plus object plus adverb. For interrogative, is or am or are plus subject plus verb 1 plus ing plus object plus adverb. And for the example is positive, I am reading a book now. For negative, I am not reading a book now. For interrogative, am I reading a book now? And next is a past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous, also called past perfect progressive, is a verb tense which is used to show that an action starts in the past and continue up to another point in the past. For definition, positive, subject, had, plus been, plus verb, plus ing, plus object. For negative, subject, plus had, plus not, plus been, plus verb 1, plus ing, plus object. For interrogative, had, plus subject, plus been, plus verb 1, plus ing, plus object. And for the example is positive, you had been writing this article. Negative, you had not been writing this article. For interrogative, had you been writing this article?
Okay, my name is Anissa and I will explain about present perfect. The present perfect tense refers to an action or state that either occurred at an infinite time in the past, e.g., we have talked before, or began in the past and continue to the present time, e.g., he has grown insane over the last hours. Definition for positive: subject plus has or have plus verb 3. For negative, subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3. For interrogative, has or have plus subject plus verb 3. Example, for positive, he has already finished his task. For interrogative, has he already finished his test? For negative, he has not already finished his test.
Okay, my name is Vika. I will explain about present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous tense, also known as the present perfect progressive tense, so that something starts in the past and is continuing the present time. The pattern is for positive. Subject plus have or has plus been plus verb 1 plus ing. Example, I have been walking 30 minutes. For negative, subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus verb 1 plus ing. Example, I have not been walking 30 minutes. For interrogative, have or has plus subject plus been plus verb 1 plus ing. Example, have I been walking 30 minutes?
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Ansori. Today I will to teach you about past tense, exactly simple past and past continuous. And here it is. 1. Simple past. The simple past, also called past simple, past indefinite, or pretérite, is a verb tense which is used to show that a completed action took place at a specific time in the past. For the example, positive. Subject plus verb to and plus object. The sentence is, I wrote that poem last week. For the negative, subject plus did plus not plus verb 1 and plus object. The sentence is, I did not write that poem last week. For the interrogative, did plus subject plus verb 1 and plus object. The sentence is, did I write that poem last week? 2. Past continuous. The past continuous, also called that progressive, is a verb tense which is used to show that ongoing past action was happening at a specific moment of intervention, or that the ongoing action were happening at the same time. For the example, positive. Subject plus was or were, plus not plus verb ing. The sentences is, I was writing a poem. Negative, subject plus was or were plus not plus verb ing. The sentences is, I was writing a poem. For the interrogative, was or were plus subject plus verb ing. The sentences is, was I writing a poem? That's all today, guys. Dadah.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.